Celery juice health benefits. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the health benefits of celery juice, a simple drink that's packed with powerful nutrients. Let's dive in. What is celery juice? Celery juice is made by blending or juicing fresh celery stalks. It's become a popular health trend for good reason, as it's loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Celery juice health benefits. 1. Supports digestive health. One of the standout benefits of celery juice is its ability to support digestive health. It's rich in fiber, which helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract and can also help reduce bloating and discomfort. 2. Detoxification. Celery juice is also known for its detoxifying properties. It helps flush out toxins from the body, supporting liver and kidney function. This can lead to clearer skin and a general feeling of wellness. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. If you're dealing with inflammation, celery juice can be a natural remedy. It's packed with antioxidants like flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce pain and swelling in the body. 4. Hydration and skin health. Staying hydrated is key to overall health, and celery juice can help with that. It's over 90% water and full of electrolytes, making it great for hydration. Plus, its vitamin content can promote glowing, healthy skin. So there you have it, celery juice is more than just a trend, it's a health boosting powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you next time.